Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is technical names of tonic-solfas. Our topic is technical names of tonic-solfas. Technical names are a set of 7 terms that gives a label to every note of the scale. Every note is assigned a different technical names that reflects its position in the scale or chord. These are tonic. Tonic is the first degree or home note of the scale, which is popularly known as Do. Supertonic is the second degree, which is known as Re. Mediant is the third degree, which is known as Mi. Subdominant is the fourth degree, which is known as Fa. Dominant is the fifth degree, which is known as Sol. Submediant is the sixth degree, which is known as La. Leading note is the seventh degree, which is known as T. And the last one, octave or tonic, which is known as eighth degree or Do. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.